everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral steak salad, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, chop 4 Persian cucumbers. Then cut 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes in half. Next, dice half a red onion. And finally, chop up some cilantro. When you're finished, set these ingredients to the side until you're ready to use them. Next, place 1 ribeye steak or New York strip steak on a cutting board and pat it dry. This is optional, but I like to cut the fat off. If you like fat, you can keep it on. I'm not particularly a fan of it, so I usually cut it off. Next, coat the steak in a bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can also use olive oil. Then season the steak on each side with your preferred seasonings. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, steak seasoning, Kinder Sweet Heat seasoning, and paprika. Next, in a pan over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then place the steak in the pan, making sure to lay it away from you so hot oil doesn't splatter towards you. Now cook the steak for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until it reaches your desired doneness. During the last minute of cooking, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also add some garlic cloves, but if you don't have any, that's okay. Then baste the steak in the butter. Once you finish cooking the steak, remove it from the heat and place it on a cutting board. Then let it rest for 10 minutes. While the steak rests, we're going to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, add the chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, diced red onions, and cilantro. Then add 1 can of Trader Joe's Greek chickpeas with parsley and cumin, and Trader Joe's crumbled feta cheese with Mediterranean herbs. Next, add the juice from half a lemon, and mix everything together until well combined. Finally, add a half a cup of chimichurri sauce. The chimichurri I'm using is from Costco, but you can also use the chimichurri sauce from Trader Joe's as well. Once everything is mixed together, set your salad to the side. Now cut the steak into bite-sized pieces. When you're finished, you can go ahead and plate everything up. Add the salad in a bowl. Then place the steak on top. And this is the finished result. This salad is so incredibly good. It's super refreshing, has a really good flavor, and the steak was perfectly cooked and well seasoned. This is the perfect salad to make for summer, and the recipe is super easy. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!